हिट करके। जो लास्ट का शो अभी दिया मिर्ज़ा वाला था वो काफ़ी अच्छा था। रॉकी एस का भी शो काफ़ी वाव था। अभी मेरी वेब सीरीज़ आ रही है सीक्रेट डिज़ायर, एंड टॉक शो भी आता है मेरा, टॉक शो विद सनी स्पॉटिफाई ऐप पे। I would like to congratulate Bubble Media Agency who has completed 15 years in Bollywood industry. A wow and biggest congratulations for you. Thank you so much. Pooja was a makeup partner today, and how Pooja are you feeling today?
I feel so good to be part of the Bombay Times of Fashion Week. It was my dream. It's come true. And thank you so much to Unnati ma'am and Bombay Times of Fashion Week. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Whole concept revolves around the whole wedding, because nowadays people celebrate the wedding as a whole function, whole month. So I put everything in one concept, that is in lehenga. You will show in like lehenga everything, like the haldi, mehendi, fera, wedding, rope, engagement, cocktail. So in my whole show, everything the same thing. And Sunny is the best one to do it. She is damn good, damn good. Trust me, guys. Thank you so much.
सनी जी, tell us your outfit बहुत ही beautiful, like outfit, jewelry, गजरा, बहुत कुछ है,
हाँ,
झुमका।
मेरी हेयर स्टाइलिस्ट ने जो भी फ्लावर से सिर में लगा दिया but I'm extremely happy to be dressed like this, क्योंकि when you can feel like a bride, when you can feel like a princess, just one more time, it is the best feeling. Thank you, Sonali, for having me a part of your show and a part of your collection. But मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, and I really did feel like a princess today.
For me, the best moment was the last part where Daniel came, your kids came. Tell us
I
something
know.
about them.
Well, it was their first fashion show, and because it was in the daytime, हमने दोनों सोचा था that it'll be nice to bring the kids, let them see what happens when I say मैं काम पे जा रही हूँ, क्योंकि इन लोगों को कुछ नहीं पता है, and I'm happy that they got to witness that today, and they really enjoyed the show. I'm pretty sure that one of my son has picked out his suit for the next 5 events, and he'll come back to me and say that I want this style, this style, this style.
So, do you consider yourself as a bridal? And today is a very special day for every bridal, every women's Karwa Chauth is there.
Well, I didn't grow up with Karwa Chauth, but I think that any woman who is, or man who is observing this holiday, I think it's amazing, and we should be dedicated. I am dedicated 365 days a year, so I did not fast, but he knows that I love him, and I think that it's amazing. It's his birthday today, and I'm very excited. We're renewing our vows in 1 week, so that'll be really fun.
One question: when you were on the ramp, of course, you said you didn't grow up with Karwa Chauth, but when you had the moment on ramp, and Danny, your husband, was there, all the 3 kids were there. Especially, I saw the kids very excited when they saw you, and then of course they joined you on stage. How does a moment like that feel? And when your kids and your family is in the front row watching you on ramp with, the way you are looking today. Please tell us.
I'm going to get to know when I get home उनको कैसा लगा, but I think that it's a great feeling when you can involve your family in anything that you do, and especially with bridal, it just takes me back to that day when I got married and how much I love my husband. And in that moment, we had no idea that we were going to have 3 beautiful children and we would be married for so long. And it was very nice. We're renewing our wedding vows next week, so it's very special.
Wow, congratulations.
Thank you.
You know, I work with weavers from all over India. It's been 24 years now, and when the Times called me कि आपको ग्रैंड फिनाले करना है, तो मुझे लगा ग्रैंड फिनाले के हिसाब से कपड़े बनाने हैं. So we have put in the best of the weaves here. दिया जी जो पहनी है 4 डिफरेंट रीजन को मिला के बना है ये. गुजरात का पाटन पटोला है, केरला का पिटिट पॉइंट है. पाटन पटोला डाइंग हुआ है, नेचुरल इंडिगो 4 शेड है जो वेस्ट बंगाल में हुआ है. द ब्लाउज इज जामदानी फ्रॉम आंध्र प्रदेश. पुट टुगेदर, एवरीथिंग पुट टुगेदर इन वन. और ये बनते बनते पूरा अबाउट 19 महीने लग गए हैं इसको, एंड बाय चांस ये बन के आया है आपके फैशन वीक के लिए.
प्रिया मैम, आपसे पूछना
साड़ी से सुंदर कुछ नहीं है ना, और स्पेशली जब साड़ी हाथ से बुनी होती है तो वो जो कारीगर है जो साड़ी पर काम करते हैं वो उनके जज्बात लेकर आते हैं आपके पास, और जो एहसास आपको होता है जब आप ऐसी साड़ी पहनते हैं हैंड वोवन हैंड क्राफ्टेड, तो आपका जो स्पिरिट है वो बहुत एलिवेट होता है। और आज जो गौरव का शो था वो बिल्कुल कमाल था, एक से बढ़ के एक पीसेस थे उसमें, मतलब मैं हर गारमेंट को देख रही थी और सोच रही थी कितनी खूबसूरती है हमारी सभ्यता में, हमारे कल्चर में, हमारे क्राफ्ट्समैनशिप में, और हमारे देश के हर कोने में कूट कूट के ये टैलेंट भरा हुआ है। और मास्टर डिज़ाइनर्स लाइक गौरव, ये जो रिवाइवलिस्ट अप्रोच होता है, जो वो अपने काम से वो उन लोगों की ज़िंदगी में परिवर्तन लेकर आ रहे हैं जिनकी सभ्यता जो थी वो ख़त्म हो रही थी, ही इज़ ब्रिंगिंग इट ऑल बैक। और मेरी उम्मीद यही है कि द यंगर जनरेशन